TR Construction is proud to present your new patio. This will be another specialty addition to your home that will not only increase its value but allow you to enjoy your backyard during the sunniest of months. No job, big or small, is too much for TR Construction to handle. We have the equipment to tackle any property and any client's request. Here, a 30-foot steel beam is used for the framing of the patio, giving the greatest structural support and spacious view of the backyard. Adding a patio to your home gives you the comfort of being protected from the elements while still enjoying the sun and breeze of the outdoors. Fitting your new patio with skylights, custom television settings, refrigerator hookups, or anything else you could possibly imagine is just a phone call away. So why not treat yourself today and give us a call? When the sun goes down, or the winter months come, TR Construction will have you prepared for that as well with your beautiful gas fireplace to keep you and your loved ones toasty warm all through the night, so you don't miss a single moment of your new patio. Of course, the pride of your new patio will come from the daily use during the heat of the summer months, where the custom ceiling fans will keep you cool, and the retractable awnings, which can be raised or lowered independent of each other, will protect you from the sun, while still allowing you to enjoy the warmth and magnificence of your new patio by TR Construction. When it comes to your construction needs, remember, TR Construction, we are built above the rest.